got the Boston Trucker with you. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for subscribing. This is going to be a very exciting video. I am going to do something I've never done on my YouTube channel. I'm going over the road. Cue the intro. Welcome to the Boston Trucker. Hope you enjoy my channel. I put in a full day today, but I am on my way to pick up a tractor and go to Ohio, pick up a brand new dump trailer for a friend of mine. He called me the other day and said, "Hey, want to go to Ohio this weekend?" I'm like, hell yeah, if you're paying, I'm going. The kicker is the big snowstorm coming across. I'm bobtailing out and coming back empty, so yeah, now cue the intro. Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. Well, we're on our way. Coming into Worcester. Coming down 190 south. Jake brakes are not necessary when you're bobtailing. They sure do sound good. Well, we're coming through downtown Hartford. Figure I throw the camera on because we're going to go through the only tunnel I think there is between here and Ohio. We might as well throw the Jakes on when we go through it, right? There we go. What a douchebag. Well, I made it to my planned destination for the night, which is the OTR truck stop in Maybrook, New York. Been a long day. You know, I worked my regular job. We drove out here, getting used to the truck. But all in all, it was a good ride out here. Gonna go inside the truck stop, wash up, get some food, go to bed, get up early and hit it. I'm in bobtail parking, I guess. It rarely says for RVs and buses. That's where all the bobtails were, so that's where I'm going to be, out of the way. Don't want to take up any big truck parking spots. Let's go inside the TA and check it out. I haven't been here in about, 15 years or so. So I walk into the truck stop to use the bathroom. And look at this shit. Bathrooms under construction. Men's restroom closed. Use portables outside. Are you freaking kidding me? Men's room this way. Follow the green signs. Oh, this should be freaking interesting. Try not to curse. This should be good. How you doing? You're welcome. Is that the restroom? Oh, it's like an outhouse on the back. A fancy outhouse. Like one you go to a wedding in. Fucking crazy, huh? Look at that. 4 a.m. Time to hit the road. Some trucking. Cruising down 81st Street, coming into Scranton. It is chilly out here. It's a balmy -2 degrees. love this stretch right here. You can't beat this view. What a beautiful country. God, I miss this. JB, that wheel is dragging, just so you know. It's completely flat down to the rim.
Yeah, 10-4.
Damn lucky you made it here, that's for sure. Peterbilt right there. That guy's gonna be in my YouTube video. Nice. Look at that thing. It's not even moving. Wow. He just dragging gravel and rocks wherever he goes. What a mess. That's rookie shit right there. Yep, you did a good job, JB. Gonna see if the inside one's rolling. Nope. Nope, nope, and nope. Dragging too. Take it easy. Good luck. Big rides when I was out here back in the day. Now they're down to 680s. That's how the industry's going. Mostly these cookie cutter trucks. All Aerodynes. It's the way it is these days, I guess. Into a spot over here and go inside, get a bite to eat, and hit the road. Park right there. shut it down right where he is. Ran down the highway like that. Smoking his tires. It's crazy. It's cold out here. It's about 4 degrees out right now. That nice old B model Kenworth right there. Beautiful. Let's walk at the Saps here. It's a fuel island. I think it's connected. Sail. Oh, I gotta get me one of these, right? Driving over the road now. Let me see how it looks. Oh yeah, it's a natural. How much is this thing anyways? $7. You kidding me? I thought it said 67. $7. How can you go wrong with that? What do you think? Nice looking old school Pete sitting here. Must be a late 90s model. It's seen better days, but got that old school panel light bug shield. Poor girl. Looks like she's been through a lot. Pretty good tires on her. Look at all the lights on the back. This just caught my eye. I used to have those on my Bud Meyer Peterbilt. Good old ride. It's got a brand new fifth wheel on her. Looks like it just had a bunch of work. Oh, you're killing me with the Volvo mud flaps. Oh, please, please, please stop. Stop right now. Oh. Let's hit the road. This guy's heading out. Left the signal light on, rookie. That's it, Oscar. I removed your towels. Kept moving on my feet during the night. I'll put them back. Necessary, but it sounds cool.